Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Windows 7. While many enjoy Roblox, running it on Windows 7 presents unique challenges today. Official support for this operating system has concluded, meaning direct gameplay is no longer straightforward. We'll delve into the reasons behind these difficulties and explore any potential unofficial avenues. Please be aware that using unsupported systems may lead to performance issues or an unreliable experience. Roblox's current system requirements specify Windows 10 or a more recent operating system for the best experience. Windows 7, unfortunately, no longer receives critical security updates, which is a significant concern. Furthermore, it often lacks the necessary DirectX versions, such as DirectX 10 or higher, that Roblox utilizes for its graphics. This can lead to compatibility problems and hinder the game's ability to run smoothly on older hardware. While official support has ceased, some users have reported limited success with unofficial workarounds. One common suggestion involves ensuring a specific Windows update, such as KB4534310, is installed on your system. Additionally, verifying that your graphics drivers are completely up to date for Windows 7 can sometimes help. However, it's crucial to remember these are not official solutions and may not provide a consistent or secure gaming environment. For a truly reliable and secure Roblox experience, the most recommended path is upgrading your operating system to Windows 10 or Windows 11. If upgrading your main system isn't feasible, another option is to set up a virtual machine running a supported Windows version. This provides a contained environment for Roblox. Upgrading guarantees full compatibility with the latest game features, significantly better performance, and access to crucial security updates, protecting your gaming and personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.